Next level performance in bed. It claims to help increase sperm count and boost male fertility. In the Semenol Review, we'll find the real results. The 3 actions are maximizing sexual performance, sperm quality, and fertility. First action, increase male fertility. The hormone testosterone is closely related to sexual function and reproductive health, and this is very important. Various problems such as impotence, libido, infertility, and low sperm count are often associated with low testosterone. Semenol helps increase the hormone testosterone in the body naturally. Thus, it will increase male fertility and stimulate sperm production. One of the effects of oxidative stress is sperm dysfunction, where sperm motility is disturbed and results in decreased semen volume. Semenol supplies the body with potent antioxidants, so you will avoid sperm dysfunction. Third action, improve sexual performance. And generally, erectile dysfunction results in sperm abnormalities, and the cause is blood circulation. In many studies, increased blood flow can help erection intensity, strength in bed, and of course, the size. In other words, Semenol helps improve performance, improve blood circulation, and male sexual health. Semenol ingredients. In order to support the effects of Semenol with perfect results, of course this supplement is clinically tested using only 8 natural premium ingredients. Several clinical studies have noted prosexual effects. You can order for Semenol only on the official website through the link in the description box below with an 85% discount off today. As a result, Muirapuama is able to increase sexual desire and maximize erectile function. L-lysine hydrochloride psychological stress affects sexual health. The bad impact increases the hormone anti-testosterone, cortisol. If it continues, then men experience a decrease in the hormone testosterone. L-lysine hydrochloride is known as one of the adaptogen ingredients that functions to relieve stress levels. A study explains the effect of L-lysine for people with anxiety is very positive. L-arginine hydrochloride. The association between L-arginine HCl and male infertility was clinically noted. 40 infertile men experienced decreased motility and for 6 months were given a dose of 10% length arginine HCl every day. As a result, researchers saw an increase in spermatozoa motility and without any adverse side effects. The effectiveness of L-arginine was also noted in a study on male erectile dysfunction. The results have been shown to increase sexual desire and erectile dysfunction. Tribulus terrestris, TT. Tribulus terrestris is widely used in male sex hormone enhancement supplements. Testing is done on many men who have problems oligospermia or low sperm count. Testing is done on many men who have problems oligospermia or low sperm count. The result, approximately 78% experienced an increase in sperm count, libido, hard, and last longer. In another study, Tribulus terrestris was able to help testosterone levels in men increase significantly. Among them relieve stress, improve physical, and also male sexual. The problem of damage to sperm cells can be avoided from the intake of natural ingredients above. And other benefits, namely increasing libido and prostate health. N-acetyl L-cysteine, NAC, it is a powerful antioxidant for male fertility. NAC is especially useful if given to men who have lower sperm counts. In addition, it has a positive impact on the hormone testosterone zinc oxide. The link between zinc and male fertility is enormous. This is very useful for protecting male sperm. In addition, zinc affects sperm quality. In one study noted an increase in sperm motility and semen volume. And lastly, help your hormonal health. In other words, zinc provides good sexual performance. The results of the 12-week study noted an increase of 20% sperm concentration, 9% semen volume, and 21% normal sperm and semen. Pros and cons. Helping healthy reproductive function and fertility. Maximize sexual performance. This supplement is only sold online through the official Semenol website. But for best results, many men to pick the next 3 months. Product deliveries are made by Monday to Friday, working hours. 3 to 5 business days for delivery to the US. You can order for Semenol only on the official website through the link in the description box below with an 85% discount off today. Semenol uses only 100% natural ingredients. Each of these ingredients was clinically tested and got positive results. Thus, Semenol supplements are natural, safe to use and free from side effects. Meanwhile, to expect an increase in fertility, at least it takes up to 3 months. Naturally improving the quality of male reproductive health and fertility is the main target of Semenol. Among other benefits are improved sexual performance, stronger erections, orgasm intensity, and better ejaculate volume. Can it increase low sperm count? This safe and natural herbal ingredients such as NAC, maca, zinc, and Tribulus terrestris are believed to help fertility and male semen production. So that makes this supplement a savior for men to overcome fertility problems, especially a healthy sperm count. There are so many supplements that promising real results. Well, I don't think so. Why? The effectiveness of a product must be seen from the ingredients. I have researched each of Semenol's ingredients and concluded that this product is not a scam. All ingredients have been clinically tested and Semenol has the right composition to improve male sexual health without side effects. You can order for Semenol only on the official website through the link in the description box below with an